A dripping bathtub faucet is often caused by a worn O-ring. Replacing the O-ring is a simple repair you can do at home. This quick fix can stop leaks and save water. First, gather a few basic tools. You may need a screwdriver, wrench, and a replacement O-ring. Start by turning off the water supply. Look for the shut-off valve near the bathtub or bathroom plumbing. Turn the valve clockwise to stop the water flow. Now turn the faucet on briefly to release any remaining pressure. Next, cover the bathtub drain with a cloth. This prevents small parts from falling into the drain. Now locate the cap on the faucet handle. Use a small tool or your fingernail to remove the cap. Under the cap, you will see a screw. Use a screwdriver to remove the handle screw. Carefully pull the faucet handle off. You should now see the faucet stem. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the retaining nut. Turn the nut slowly until it comes free. Once the nut is removed, pull the faucet stem out. Inspect the stem carefully. You will see a small rubber O-ring around it. If the O-ring looks cracked or worn, it needs to be replaced. Use a small flat tool to remove the old O-ring. Slide the damaged O-ring off the stem. Now take the new replacement O-ring. Make sure it is the same size as the old one. Slide the new O-ring onto the stem. Position it in the correct groove. For better sealing, apply a small amount of plumber's grease. This helps the O-ring last longer. Now insert the faucet stem back into the faucet. Push it gently until it sits properly. Next, reinstall the retaining nut. Use the wrench to tighten it securely. After that, place the faucet handle back on the stem. Insert the handle screw and tighten it. Snap the decorative cap back into place. Now, remove the cloth from the drain. Turn the water supply back on slowly. Test the faucet by turning it on. Check carefully for any leaks. If no water drips appear, the repair worked. Your bathtub faucet should now run smoothly without leaking. Replacing an O-ring is a quick and affordable plumbing fix.